Yo, what up, man? It's me, Sony. You know, XM4.
XM who?
Hold up. I know this dude ain't just try to play me and act like he don't know I'm the king out here. Hold on. Yo, what up, Sony? How you doing, man?
Oh, what up, CKid? Oh, you know me, bro. Just vibing out to a beat. You know how I do.
I should have known. But have you seen AP Max, man? He was just here. He was wearing like a matte space gray shirt. Oh, yeah, I did see him around. He knew around here, right? Yeah, but I don't know where he went, though. Dang, I got a couple questions for both of y'all, man. I'm just trying to see which one of y'all I'm trying to wear today. I mean, that's an easy choice, but I mean, if you still need to talk to him, I mean, I could give him a call. Yeah, let's do that. I bet.
When my friends go, it was simple.
Okay. I got a phone call. Hello? Who this? Yo, what up, man? It's me, Sony. You know, XM4.
XM who?
Hold up. I know this dude ain't just try to play me and act like he don't know I'm the king out here. Hold on. You know me, XM4, the best headphones out.
Say what now? You know what? Never mind. What you up to and what you want with me?
Not much, man. So CKid was actually the one that was looking for you. It was something about him trying to figure out which one of us he should actually be wearing, whether it was me or whether it was you or something like that. But I had already told him, look, bro, don't even be bothering with you. You should easily wear me since I'm the king of the headphones anyway.
Hold up. You told him what?
I told him the truth.
Which was what? That you all plastic?
At least I don't have a fishnet as a top and a case that looked like a purse. What's that all about?
Don't worry about what we doing over here, player. Look, you bothered and not even in my league.
Look, I'm the GOAT. I'm better overall. Plus, he should pick me just like everybody else does anyway.
Lying. That must be the new thing out there.
Whatever, man. So, CKid, you want to ask him something? Yeah. Let me talk to him real quick. All right. Yo, what's good, man? Chilling, man. So, I see you new to this headphone space, right? So, tell me why I shouldn't necessarily go with Sony over here. And pretty much I should go with you.
First of all, look at me and how swagged out I am coming straight out the box. While Sony over there looking like a piece of cheap plastic. We don't do plastic over here. Grade A materials only, baby.
That's a good point, bro. Yeah, I know, man. I know. For sure. Yeah, man. I know. Bro, he's sitting right here. Yo, what's so funny over there, CKid? Y'all just over there look like y'all just having a good old time over there, huh? Over there kikiing and everything. What's up? Oh, nothing, man. He was basically saying that you just made up of all cheap plastic, man, and that Apple just don't do broke over there. Oh, so I'm broke now? Well, you tell him I said at least my audio sounds better.
Hello, CKid. Did I hear him say what I think I just heard him say? Like out loud for everybody to hear?
Oh, man.
Yo, CKid, man, put me on speakerphone, bruh. I want him to hear this straight from me.
All right, go ahead. He can hear you.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Cool. I just want you to say in a minute that my phone quality is on point.
Man, whatever.
And you better than me? Let's see. Where your spatial audio at? I'll wait.
Well,
where your memory foam ear cushions at? I'll wait.
You see,
where your aluminum and stainless steel body at? I'll wait.
I mean, but I got...
And where is your ecosystem at?
Ooh.
I mean, I could go all night.
I mean, I got some solid plastic materials on me. I got ANC. I got better battery life. Plus, CKid can also change my EQ settings in an app. Where your app at, Apple? Oh. Don't get quiet now.
We don't need apps. My controls are built into our device, baby. You ain't gotta touch nothing or do nothing. It just works.
Ooh, check. Oh, so you on his side now? I mean, Sony. AP kind of got a point, fam. What about that case? Ooh, let me switch ears for this one. Now, Sony, you know that was a low blow, bro. Now, you know he's sensitive about his protection. Yo, Apple, I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. I don't know if you want to go down that road. It's dark where you headed. That ain't gonna end well for you.
Look, I ain't say we had everything right. But Sony, you ain't gotta be hitting below the belt like that, bruh.
Good. Look at them B cups over there looking like you belong in somebody's Victoria's Secret. Man, you better quit now.
Man, we'll give you that one.
All right, y'all. So between Apple here on the phone, between you sitting here, man, I don't know if we're going to get to a resolution because it just seems like we're going back and forth. But I feel like we should get the information to the people, let them decide, and we pretty much go from there. Y'all cool with that?
I'm with that.
Yeah, I'm good with that. I bet. Let's get to it. What up, y'all? CKid here, man. Shout out to the homie CJ from CJ Unplugged, man. He's another dope creator here on the platform. Y'all have to subscribe to him. I will link his channel down below, man. Make sure you guys head on over to his channel right after this video right here. Spam his comment section on any of his videos and show him some love, man, and tell him that I sent you. All right, y'all. So the other day, right, man, I was sitting here and I was just thinking, man, if I was a person out there and I had mixed feelings about either buying the AirPods Max or if I was already an owner of the Sony XM3 XM3s or the XM4s. Like, would it be worth it for me to pick up the AirPods Max if I didn't already have a pair of the XM3 or the XM4, or should I just keep what I already got? So I was thinking, man, I'm probably not the only person that's in this situation. So I was like, look, let's go ahead and talk about it, man. Got a little running around to do. So let's go ahead and hop in the whip and let's talk about it. All right, y'all. So the first thing I want to talk about with you guys in regards to these products is physical body and the build of the AirPods Max versus the Sony M4s, right? So the AirPods Max is pretty much made up of like aluminum, stainless steel, memory foam, which when you first hear those, right? When you first hear about those things, the first thing you think about right off of the back is this must be a premium product. Also, it must be pretty costly and it's probably comfortable, right? And to be honest with y'all, man, my experience with them is so far, it's literally been super comfortable and it feels very premium in my hands, pretty much like it's gonna last for a long time. Now, on the flip side of that, the Sony XM4s are pretty much made up of plastic and leather. Now, when I hear those two things, as far as materials describing the product, first thing I think of is lower cost and maybe it's going to seem somewhat premium depending on the type of leather that they're using, and it's probably going to be comfortable as well. Now, when it comes down to build quality between these two, there is no way around it, man. The AirPods Max, in my opinion, are way more premium feeling and more comfortable headphones out of the two. Now, I'm not saying that the Sonys are bad by any means in that department. It's just when you pick them up and you put them on your head for the very first time, or even just wearing them for a long period of time, it's really going to feel like everything else that you've pretty much had on your head that's on the market today. Now, when it comes to the AirPods Max, I feel like the AirPods Max are literally different than anything else out there on the market. This is a product that has literally shook up the entire headphone market because it is something that is different in regards to build quality, as well as in regards to just how they just feel in your hands and when you put them on your head. I just feel like the AirPods Max, man, is just different than anything else out there on the market. Also, I like how Apple took a risk to actually shake things up while also keeping them comfortable at the same time, even though heavier material on them was actually used. But before we actually talk about lifestyle, let's go ahead and get to the park here real quick because I got to make a little pit stop at the gas station real quick. We're gonna go to the gas station and then we're gonna head to the park because I want to talk about lifestyle with you guys. Man, this sun is beaming in my face. Jeez. Tell you what too, man, I'm hungry too. I gotta figure me something out to eat. I might go with that McAllister's again that I told y'all about before in one of my other videos because they got the best broccoli in the game. Y'all gotta try that broccoli. That broccoli is fire.
It was simple when the ends low.
Hold up, y'all. Almost forgot my mask. Hey, put a mask on.
I'ma fight. I go.
All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and get to this park so we can go ahead and continue this conversation. It's mad cold out here right now. Although sun shining bright and it may look like it is, it's kind of cold out here. Oh, all right, now let's talk lifestyle real quick about it. Notice how I came all the way out here, man, to a park. You know, your boy stepping things up, man. All right, I'm just playing. So lifestyle, man, let's talk about how we actually interact with our tech products in a real world scenario. So when it comes to something like the AirPods Max or even the Sony XM4s, neither one of these are actually IP rated. And to be honest with you, I'm not necessarily too upset about that because these headphones are not made for using them while actually jogging or doing some type of active activities. Now, it's more necessarily meant for leisure activities like listening to audible books, traveling while listening to music or movies, things like that. So if you're wondering if you can actually work out in these, then yeah, you're probably not looking at the right pair of headphones because neither one of these are necessarily made for that. But man, although the sun is shining bright, y'all, it's cold as hell out here, man. And I'm getting ready to hop back in the car so we can talk about the sound quality when it comes to both of these. All right, y'all, so I'm back out of that cold, man. All right, so let's talk about sound quality. Now, I've been testing both of these headphones here now for equally, I say now for about a good week and a half now. So now here's what I have to say about both of them, but we're gonna start with the Sonys first. Now, Sonys to me sound really good. Me being the bass lover that I am, I can appreciate these when it comes to vibing to my music, when I'm listening to hip hop or R&B songs that I personally like to listen to. But, and there's a big but to this, a big but. Y'all know what I mean, but sometimes the bass level in these, when you start cranking these bad boys up past a certain point, it starts to overpower the mids as well as the high frequencies in these headphones. Look, I'm not about to get all technical and all of that for the sake of this video, but Sony's, these here, they sound good. And I think anybody who scooped these up is going to be happy with the sound quality, no question. But when it comes to the AirPods Max, now remember when I said the Sonys are good? Remember, I said those are really good. Notice I said good. See, to me, I think there's different levels to success, and we're going to talk about, a little bit more about success and different things, but that's a whole nother video. But I definitely think there's a difference between good and great. For example, let's say you're out there and you're creating something. You wouldn't want that to necessarily just be good. You want that to be great. Like, for example, like, I don't want to be good at life. I want to be great at that shit. So to me, when it comes to the AirPods Max, the audio quality to me is just much better overall. Like, the bass levels are great. The highs, the mids are also great. Like, the sound quality on these bad boys right here is really freaking crispy, to the point where I feel like I'm in the studio with them recording the music. Then you start throwing in features like spatial audio, right? And then these are the type of features that the audio literally tracks you using your smartphone or using your iPad or different things like that. And it literally makes you feel like you're in the center of the studio or the set of the movie or whatever you guys may be listening to. And another thing that I feel like that's dope with these is, regardless of how high you actually turn up the volume, it still maintains that crispy level of audio that you get at the lower volumes as well, which to me, that's dope, because on the Sonys, I feel like the more you start to crank these up, the more the sound starts to fall apart. So yeah, I mean, the Sonys are good, but the AirPods are great, and I'll just leave it at that. But your boy's hungry, man, and seatbelt on, you know what I mean? Safety first. But I'm about to go grab me some food, and we can continue talking about this a little further.
I got heart, I won't die, I'ma fight, I go down.
Before we actually get to where I'm going to eat, which one y'all think I'm going to? I want y'all to comment down below right now. Y'all think I'm going to Hardee's to go get them chicken tenders, or y'all think I'm going to McAllister's to get that broccoli? Let me know down in the comments right now before we pull up which one y'all think I'm going to.
I got heart, I won't die, I'ma fight, I go down.
Welcome to Hardee's.
All right, yes, can I get a 5-piece combo of the chicken tenders? I get a lemonade. Can I make that meal a large, please? And that'll be all.
This one will be $12.28.
All right, thank you. Y'all already know, man, your boy had to pull up to that Hardee's. Yo, y'all think I should ask her, like, which one she thinks looks better, the AirPods or these headphones? All right, y'all, so while I'm waiting on my food, man, let's talk about some of the features as well as the battery life. Now, the AirPods Max, man, have features like active noise canceling, transparency mode, spatial audio, which I just talked about. Now, all of those features, man, they work really well together. Now, when it comes to the Sonys, you pretty much still get all of the same features minus that spatial audio, which I ain't gonna front to you. Now that I've experienced spatial audio, it's kind of a big one that's missing. Now, when it comes to noise canceling, right? Honestly, both of these, regardless of which one you get, noise canceling is literally the same. Like, legit, I didn't notice a single difference. And I feel like if you get one, you won't necessarily notice the difference either. Now, they both are legit in that department and definitely drowns out all of the surrounding noise around you. Now, when it comes to the AirPods Max though, transparency mode, I think does a better job using the microphones on it, and it lets the sound come in without sounding artificial and processed. Now, Sony has the same feature, but they call theirs ambient mode, which literally do the exact same. Now, Sony's to me sounds a little more processed than I would like, and I prefer how Apple actually handles theirs. To me, it sounds like I don't have anything on my ears, and it's really clean, and it just sounds way less artificial to me than the Sony. All right, y'all, so battery life, man. Now, this is where, to me, I feel like Sony wins this one in this department, hands down, for a couple of reasons. Now, Sony are giving us 30 hours of battery life versus Apple's only giving us 20 hours of battery life. Also, being able to physically turn these off on the XM4s, it will easily preserve the life of the battery as well as the life of the charge, rather than they will on the AirPods Max, because with these, you can only put these in the case and it will put it into a low power or ultra low power mode to be able to help it preserve the battery. Now, honestly, even though I'm not able to actually turn these off, the ultra low power mode is actually pretty good on this. And it's pretty legit because it definitely drains it like mad slow. I appreciate it. Yo. I bet. Your boy got his food. Let's get back to the crib, man. All right, so to wrap up this video, man, on which pair I personally think is right for you, let's go ahead and break it down like this. Now, a lot of it, guys, man, it literally comes down to how many coins you guys are trying to spend to listen to your music. Or do you even care about having a more trendier product on the block, or you just care of having that Apple status? Or do you just want to have something that sounds good and listening to music overall and won't necessarily break the bank? But on the real, man, I'll tell y'all like this straight up. Now, if you guys are an Apple user out there, and I mean Apple user through and through, that means you are a person like me, you got an iPhone, you got an iPad, you got a MacBook Pro, you got a Mac Mini, you got an Apple TV, you got all of the Apple products, then I would no doubt pick these up, not only because the audio quality is good or necessarily great, but because on how well it integrates into the Apple ecosystem using that H1 chip and how it easily connects to everything that you guys have on your network. Now, let's say, for example, you're somebody out there and you're not an Apple user, right? Then honestly, I wouldn't even look at buying these because you won't necessarily be able to experience the full glory of the Apple AirPods Max and what they have to offer, like spatial audio, as well as the power of the H1 chip. You would literally simply just be paying for the status of saying that you copped the new hot Apple product out on the market, but you're rocking an Android device. If I was an Android user, then I would 100%, I would rock the Sony XM4s because you get access to all other features, and as well as the sound quality is still good and on point to whereas you will not be disappointed at all. But if you still are curious, then I say, hell, pick it up. You know, if you want to try it out, see which one is actually good for yourself, then why not do it? But anyway, man, I'm getting ready to eat because your boy is hungry, man. So make sure you guys click on that like button as well as click on that subscribe button if you enjoyed the video, because I'll be back bugging y'all YouTube sub feed with more dope videos like this, as well as make sure y'all go ahead and spam the comment section below telling me which one out of these two, which one that you guys will pick up and why. All right, y'all, I'm about to eat. I'm out. Peace. Yo, why you still here? Yo, fam, click on the video, bro.